And actually now we reveal the mystery of name Me. And now I'm so eager to know that why name Me and how did it come?
Okay, so why name V that we already saw. Uh, Now how it came, yeah, so how did ME take birth? Uh, that is again a very interesting story. So 2 years ago what had happened was there was this Women Innovator Award. 100 women were selected all over the world for having transformed their life from nothing to everything and being a successful leader. So I was one of them 2 years ago, and that last year I was the influencer. So being the influencer, my job was to connect the women, the deserving women, to the government policies, schemes, and giving them a handheld support.
Okay,
When
so it is for the uh, such women who need a job and who need empowerment.
uh, yes, you can say that partially. We deal holistically because this, while I was working as an influencer, we had done a program here where we had the ministry people from MSME, that is Micro Small Medium Enterprises Ministry, come here, and we had reached to more than 70,000 women. We had the program in Kalidas, and after the program, women approached me with their three problems. The problems were, one was that they used to call me Manjutai. Manjutai, I want to do something, but I don't know what to do. So they wanted a direction, a right direction in life. Second is, there were people, women specifically, who said that they were doing something at a micro level, at the home level, but they didn't have a market, so they wanted to sell the products.
Okay.
And there were third category which were in a very bad low phase of life, in a very depression state. So all these three people wanted, something which I felt I could probably give them. Yeah, because, and why I felt this was, since last 1.5, almost 2 years, every month I conduct a program in Central Jail, and just after the first Central Jail program, the prisoners over there demanded more programs. And the jailer Karkar sir said that this happened, they demanded again, it happened for the first time. And also when I used to go there frequently every month, then I have been called in the largest jail of our state and the largest jail of our country, that is the Yerwada jail in Pune and the Tihar jail in Delhi. So that gave me a very positive signal, and a signal that, it was like a certificate for me that okay,
Yes.
I'm able to sort of help them. And probably because I had sort of transformed, uh, or I didn't actually, but my life was transformed from nothing to everything through, of course, the divine energies. Yes. So that's why probably I traveled the path and I could show others the direction actually. Actually, we then came up with a plan that we would be giving 3 E's to the women. So the 3 E's is, first is education, because education is important, and education is not just a degree on paper, but it is the real understanding of the life, of the Vedas, of the philosophy, of Bhagavad Gita, which really you can apply in your life. Second is empowerment, and the third was employment as well, because of financial stability was needed. So we work at the mind, body, soul level, and if we have to go broader, we work at the physical level, emotional level, mental level, spiritual level, financial level, and the social level. So we try to mix all these, because only when the program is holistic, that is when the development and empowerment is true and in the real sense.